Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya if this is your very first time here. So today we are going to be doing a tutorial with the new Just My Luck palette from Colourpop. Hold up, oh wait, let's find it. There we go, kind of. Today we are going to be creating this complete eye look with just this palette, and we're going to be using mostly Colourpop products. One thing I did want to mention before y'all get into the tutorial and get comfortable, I will be at BeautyCon in 3 weeks in New York, so if you going, please make sure you let your girl know in the comments. I would love to meet you guys, chill with y'all, talk it up a little bit. Please let me know. Also, please make sure that you have hit subscribe below if you have not yet. If this is your first time here, you don't want to miss out on nothing that I got coming to you, alright? You don't know, I've been on a slight hiatus, but I'm back now and we finna be dropping uploads like that. So please make sure that you do hit subscribe below. And without further ado, let's get to this tutorial. So if you follow me on Instagram, then you know that the sound for this part of the video got messed up. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a voiceover for it. It's annoying, but it's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and take the color Mo Bamba and blend that into my crease area. And I'm bringing it towards the bottom because I do want to clean it up by pulling from underneath the eye. Then I'm going to blend that out with the brush, and I'm going to go into Act Natural, and I'm going to blend that out towards the middle part of my crease. Then I'm going to go into Kiss My Hash and go in the inner part of the crease, and I did kind of want this to be like a ombre situation. I'm going to go into my Colourpop concealer in Fair 02 and cut my crease. I do want this to be pretty light so it can grab onto the color. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out with my concealer brush. And then I'm gonna go into the dark color as well, again, just to blend that out on the edge. Then I'm going into Chances Are, which is this light matte green bluish color. And then we're gonna go into I Love You on the outer part of the lid. And here I'm just mumbling about making sure you blend those together since it is a matte color and a shimmer color. And I'm gonna blend out the edge as well. Then we're gonna go into Mary Jane, which is a gorgeous color, and we're gonna put that into the tear duct. Apparently I was feeling it. Then we're gonna line the eye with some liner as well as some mascara. And then I'm gonna pop on these lashes, which is from Colored Rain. All right guys, so we're gonna go ahead and jump into the face. I did wanna keep this relatively Colourpop, so our main products, we are gonna use Colourpop products. Wait, I don't think I pulled out a primer. Hold up now. Hold up, I need to get primer and it's behind my backdrop. So for primer today, I am gonna use my Frankie Rose Cosmetics Prime Addiction. And this is a face primer and it is real luxury and extra. Feel like we got you a little money. So I love this because it is hydrating underneath my foundation. Are y'all feeling the new hair? I like it. Y'all look, I done got so used to having lighter hair. I used to wear my hair all like this all the time in like college and have like long, because this hair is kind of long. So I don't know, I'm getting back used to it. Not only because it's long, because it's black. And for me, it's looking real harsh because I've been so used to wearing like lighter colors. I want to dye it so bad. I want to ombre it to blonde, like brown and ombre it to blonde. If y'all have a preference, let me know in the comments. Should I keep it black or should we go brown / blonde? Let your girl know because I'm confused. So for foundation today, we are going to use our Colourpop No Filter stick, and this is in Deep Dark 185. When I did the review of this stick foundation, it was extremely hard to blend out, but the way that just went on, I think it's going to be a lot easier because of the primer that I'm using. So let's go ahead and blend this out with a brush if I can get it. Okay, yeah, that didn't barely take me any effort at all, and it's flawless. Primer does wonders for this foundation in particular because it is very hard to blend out as a stick. So I'm feeling that. So now I'm gonna go ahead in with my Colourpop concealer, which is in Deep Dark 58 into contour. And y'all already know that this is my favorite concealer to cream contour with. Then I'm gonna go ahead and blend this in with my Real Techniques blending brush. Then I make sure I blot out all the harsh lines so that everything blends well. And then specifically for my nose contour, lately I have been bringing it kind of up to my brow area and bringing it downwards. My guess it would be better if I was a girl who did foundation first and then eyes, but maybe one day, not anytime soon. I'm just, I guess, in my comfort zone. But after I blend this out with my brush, I do use my beauty blender, which I would not recommend, but you know, anyway, I squeeze it to make it smaller and then I'll just pat over it to make everything blend. Then I'll kind of go down the bridge of the nose, down the middle, with the part of the Beauty Blender that blended out my concealer. Just to make sure we still have that, you know, chiseled look. Colourpop again for powder. We are gonna go into their banana powder, and I'm gonna go ahead and place that on my under eyes and everywhere where I put my highlighter. And since my skin is super oily, I'm just pressing this powder into my face instead of taking a brush today, because I kind of want this to last, because I got some places to go after this. Yes, I leave out the house and do stuff with my eyes looking like this. Why not? YOLO. So I am going to go ahead and take my Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium deep just to set my smile lines. I do have a lot of issues with smile lines, so I'm going to go ahead and put that there just so I don't experience any creasing. And I'm also going to take a brush and use this to set the rest of the face. Then for bronzer today, I'm going to go into my Prime Beauty bronzer, and I'm going to go ahead and put this, you know, everywhere where my bronzer needs to go, but not too much. I feel like I've been doing a lot with bronzers lately, and I don't want to do that much. Just a tap. So I don't want it to be super harsh, especially since we got a lot going on with our eyes. Look, it already looks harsh, but I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna fix it. For the under eyes, I think we're just gonna keep it going with Mobamba and bring that line all the way across almost to the inner tear duct. Next to that, I'm gonna go ahead and to Kiss My Hash, then put that on the lash line towards the middle, and then go ahead and blend everything out with Mary Jane. I went ahead and finished off the under eye with my mascara and my liner. I'm gonna go into my Shayla by Colourpop Pose highlighter, the best highlighter ever to be made ever, which is my absolute favorite, so it's right in line with this tutorial. So here's the issue I'm running into with this. I don't really want to go nude with this. You know, typically you do a look like this and you go nude. That's what makes sense, right? Nah, I actually would like to go into Flamingo Acid from Fenty. So we're gonna do this all the way up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, and let's see what this turns into. I love it. Anybody else? I like it. I love it. I'm in love with this. I love how dramatic she kind of looks, and yeah, I'm a fan. So let me go ahead and pull myself together, and we're gonna wrap this up. Alright love, so this is our finished look that we created with the Just My Luck palette. I'm so happy that I went the colorful, very, you know, well, I had no choice but to go colorful with this palette because it was green. But pairing it with this lip, I think just really drives it home. Don't forget to let me know in the comments, guys, what you think about this hair, you know. Tell me if you like it, you think I should dye it. Yes, no, maybe so. Ladies that's going to BeautyCon in New York in a few weeks, please let me know in the comments, because I would love to see y'all and meet y'all and kick it a little bit. Please let me know. And if you have not hit subscribe yet, please make sure you do that before you leave. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.